Is Me1.lol really the golden ticket to free Robux, or just another trap set to mislead and disappoint Roblox players? With so many scam sites out there promising easy Robux, it's natural to be skeptical, and in this case, the skepticism is justified. At first glance, Me1.lol looks like one of those too good to be true offers. The website boldly claims to offer free Robux, but when you start peeling back the layers, the story changes quickly. First of all, there's no official confirmation from Roblox, nothing on their website or social media channels that even mentions this so-called giveaway. That alone should make anyone pause. Then there's the domain itself, registered in July 2024, which is incredibly recent and doesn't help build any trust. If that wasn't enough, the site redirects you to unrelated pages that have absolutely nothing to do with Roblox or Robux. It feels more like a click farming or data collection trap than a legitimate reward system. The overall design of Me1.lol is another letdown. Broken links, awkward grammar, and a lack of basic structure make it look rushed and unprofessional. There's no contact information, no About Us page, no privacy policy, and no terms of service, all the things a real trustworthy site should have. Even after searching for user experiences, there are 0 reviews on major platforms like Trustpilot, and the site doesn't have any official presence on social media, which is strange for something supposedly offering a highly demanded product like Robux. We also looked into its security rating through even insights, and while it's not the worst, it definitely isn't good, just average, which doesn't inspire confidence when you're dealing with a site that may collect your information. In the end, Me1.lol doesn't directly steal from users or install malware, but it also doesn't offer any real value. It gives the illusion of rewards but doesn't follow through, which makes it feel misleading at best and a complete waste of time at worst. If you're hoping to find a secret shortcut to free Robux, this isn't it. Stay cautious, protect your account, and always remember, if something sounds too easy or too good to be true, it probably is.